Sheriff Labrador, someone just dropped a bomb into the restroom!
What? A bomb? What's that? It's just a firecracker. Let's go!
We were taking pictures here and suddenly a firecracker flew towards us! It's terrible!
Look! Here's the suspect. It can fly. That's why we couldn't find it. Ouch!
Oh!
Mr. Giraffe, did you see anyone flying around?
A pigeon and a flying squirrel.
The suspect is probably the flying squirrel. Which way did he fly?
That way.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2! What's going on? Ah! I'm on fire! Help!
Over there! Hurry! Little flying squirrel, you should never play tricks on others with firecrackers. You could hurt other people and yourself too.
I'm so sorry, Sheriff Labrador!